In a bright jungle full of sunshine and songs, lived Milo, a brave little cat who walked just like us, on 2 feet. One day, Milo heard a cry for help. Momo, the monkey, was hanging over a rushing river. "Help, I can't hold on much longer." Without a second thought, Milo ran and leaped through the air, risking everything to save his friend. He grabbed Momo's hand and pulled with all his strength. "You saved my life, Milo. Thank you." If you believe kindness is powerful, tap like. If you love caring hearts, tap share. And for more stories like this, subscribe and stay kind.